So day two of trying to short Tesla stock. So yesterday, if you guys follow me on Instagram, I posted that I was pretty much down $5,000 on my Tesla short. I'm up about $2,000 today. The reason why is when Tesla rips up and becomes overbought, I added more to it. I kept my LPP team up to date on when I added more to my shorts. So it's not so much on the 1 minute time frame, it's on the 30-minute time frame. Tesla's incredibly overbought. There is no break of pattern. So let me make this very clear. Do not copy me. This is an incredibly risky trade because Tesla is incredibly bullish right now. It's running off of the hype of Elon being a part of the Trump administration. I think it's an overreaction. At the end of it, I don't want to get into the specifics because it does not matter. It's Tesla's still bullish. It's above EMA and it continues to indicate signs of an uptrend. If it breaks below that EMA, there's huge gap down potential. Even just to the moving average. If it breaks below that EMA down to the moving average, that's a 7% move. To you crypto trader gurus, 7% might not be a lot. It's a lot to me. Making anywhere from 5 to 7% would be an incredible return, especially when you trade with $500,000. And I love Tesla. I love being able to trade it into the highs. I love being able to short it into the lows. It's simply a trade opportunity. It's not personal. I love Elon. I'm a huge Elon fanboy. It's just the trade setup. While I'm on that, I wanted to quickly talk about a possible wild idea. Not a wild idea, but it's something that I talked about with my LPP team, and I felt like I wanted to share it with you guys. UNH is UnitedHealth Group. It's not a surprise or a question of what's been going on in the media recently. UnitedHealth Group is under a lot of scrutiny right now because of what it's known for, what just recently happened with their CEO assassination, all that stuff. Right? It's acting as a negative catalyst. They're really trying to stick it to big pharma. I get that. UnitedHealth Group is an extremely well-ran company. Now, don't get me wrong. I get it. Personally and ethically, you might not appreciate the company. I'm just talking about a trade. And I get it if you're just like, I just can't do it, right? Because of the type of company it is. I respect that. But like I said in my LPP live trading session today, 27% is 27%. And what I mean by that is that if we do, you have to see this. It's worth a conversation. UNH is an incredibly well-ran company. Now, this can change if the government steps in and chooses to make an example of why Americans are so upset. Do I think that that's going to happen based off of Luigi and the actions he took? No, not necessarily. But overall, it's retracing right now. If it continues to retrace and touch the moving average as it has in the past before, when it pulls on back, it doesn't do it very often to the moving average. It's an incredibly bullish stock over a long period of time. This is dating back since 2013. This is an incredibly bullish company, right? And this is why we've said it so many times. Don't overcomplicate your either investing or your trading. Direction is in your favor. So as it continues to retrace, and if it does get close to the moving average, that could be a huge dip buy opportunity because, again, it's a negative catalyst right now, but it's probably short-lived. It's just how America works. It's right now, UnitedHealth Group, we want to stick it to them. That's the focus. Weeks from now or months from now, it might no longer be the focus. It's just how the world works. It becomes less relevant. And then at that point, UnitedHealth Group can begin to recover. Again, if we look at this and the recovery it has for potential, this is just a crazy idea. From the overall moving average to based off of previous highs, and if it continues to make new highs, it's nearly 30%. I originally thought it was going to be around 27%. But from where we are right now, because it doesn't have to sell off to the moving average, but from where we are right now to previous highs, that's about 17%. I get it. If you just can't find yourself to trade something or go long on something or invest in something for a company that you just do not like what it represents, I respect that. I know for a lot of people, they don't care. It's just the trade. It's not emotional. It's not personal. It's just the trade, right? I thought this would be a conversation worth having. You let me know down in the comment sections if you think it's what you think about it, but I just thought it would be worth a conversation. I had the conversation with my LPP team of hey, just making you aware, it's kind of beginning to slow down in the way that it's selling off. We had big gap downs. Obviously, if further negative catalysts happen, it could continue to gap down, but it's kind of slowing down. At least today, it is down a little bit. There's no indication of a recovery just yet. I just think it might be a stock that I might consider to watch. That's all, right? Set my alerts, I add it to my watch list, and I really want to follow up with it. I think it offers great recovery potential based off of its previous performance. It's incredibly bullish. And again, it's being able to take advantage of a short-lived negative catalyst that most likely will recover, because that's just how our world works, right? And I'm excited to follow up. You guys let me know down in the comment section what you think. We have conversations like this every single day within our LPP live trading session. I trade live with them every single morning. Like I've said, they get to see all of my good trades and all of my bad trades. So if you ever want to tune on in, it's designed for complete beginners. It's a one-time payment, and you can join for as little as $1 a day is what it breaks down to with the current sale we have going on. If you're interested, it's the second link in the description down below. You can sign up today and watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow. Other than that, I appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.